Why choose a mechanical keyboard? Gamers, do your reflexes deserve a boost? Your keyboard matters more than you think. Mechanical keyboards aren't just a tool, they're a game changer. From faster reactions to enhanced durability, let's uncover why they're the top pick for gamers and pros. Mechanical keyboards offer unmatched durability. Their tactile keys register every click with precision. Say goodbye to missed presses. Built to last, these keyboards can withstand intense gaming marathons without losing performance. It's a reliable partner for every battle, every level, and every victory. Why settle for dull? Mechanical keyboards shine, literally. Their customizable RGB lighting lets you create stunning effects, matching your gaming setup and mood. Whether it's calming blues or fiery reds, your keyboard can reflect you. It's style and function in one. Long sessions are tough, but mechanical keyboards ease the strain. Designed for comfort, these keyboards reduce finger fatigue, letting you focus on gameplay. Whether you're diving into a campaign or grinding for hours, you'll feel the difference real fast. Not everything's perfect. Mechanical keyboards are bulkier and noisier compared to standard ones, but for the performance and aesthetics they deliver, these drawbacks feel minor. Once you try one, the benefits easily outweigh the limitations. Don't wait. Elevate your gaming gear now. Look into mechanical keyboards and experience the difference yourself. Which feature excites you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow us for more tech reviews designed just for you.